Today I will show how to buy shares of Byggmax Group AB, a Nordic home improvement and building materials retailer traded on CBOE EU under the ticker BMAX.ST. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To execute a trade, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will normally need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker BMAX.ST to locate Byggmax Group AB. Make sure you select the listing that shows CBOE EU to confirm the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and view the price chart. Double-check the company name, market, and ticker to confirm you have the right security. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will be queued for the next session, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same walkthrough.